Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the SIM card slot on your Poco phone. First locate it. So the SIM card slot, in my case, it's at the bottom of my phone. So it's the one with the outline and the hole in it. If it's not there, then it may be at the top or on the side of your phone, but it should look something like this. Then use a SIM card tray opener. It's included in the box, but it can be from any phone. It should fit because it's just a hole. Or if you don't have it, then you can use a needle. Put it in, push until the tray pops out, like that, you can see. And now I can just pull it out. And here is my SIM card tray. I actually have SIM cards inside it. If you want to insert a SIM card, just make sure that it aligns with the bevel right here. Let's try and do this. Okay, and then put it back in. Make sure that this hole aligns with this hole. And it's entered correctly. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.